Hello, my geniuses. How are you? How are you doing, my geniuses? I want to thank you for joining me on Reading Unlimited with KDN. I just want you to know that it's a pleasure having you, and I am excited to be teaching you this lesson. Yes, today we are looking at possessive pronouns. You got that right. We will be looking at possessive pronouns, and I guarantee that you will enjoy this lesson. So just go ahead and touch that thumbs up button for me, okay? And let us jump right into it. When a pronoun shows who owns something, that pronoun is called a possessive pronoun. So if a pronoun shows who owns something, then that pronoun is called a possessive pronoun. You know, you may have heard the word possessed. You are owned by something. Someone wants to possess you. They want to own you. So the word possession there, it means ownership, all right? And we're going to be looking at some possessive pronouns. So some pronouns that show ownership, all right? You got that. Now, personal pronouns have possessive forms to show ownership. All right, so look at these. I've given you a couple examples. That is his book. All right, now it is his. All right, so there you've had it. It shortens it. It shortens the sentence and it shows ownership. All right, that is your country. And that would be what? It is yours, all right? Next we have, that is her pencil. It is hers. Cool? Good. That is my school. It is mine. Now, let me interject here to let you know that you never, ever use apostrophe when you're talking about possessive pronouns, okay? So you never ever use apostrophe when you're talking about possessive pronouns. So if you see that, or if it's being used, it is incorrect, okay, my geniuses? So stay away from apostrophe once you're talking about possessive pronouns. Beautiful. Now, here are some possessive pronouns. His, your, our, their, my, its, yours, ours, theirs, mine, hers. All right? So all these are possessive pronouns. You got that right, my geniuses. Okay, so I went ahead and I created a little diagram for you. All right? So this is called a Venn diagram. Now, whatever is in the middle, it means that it is over in this circle and it is also in this circle, all right? So over here, we're looking at possessive pronouns used with nouns. So all these are used with nouns. Cool? My dog is big. Her book was on the table. You got it. I know you did, right? So all of these over here are possessive pronouns used with nouns. These over here now are possessive pronouns that stand alone. So the book is mine. It stands by itself, all right? And remember, never, ever, ever add S to this, okay? Never. It's incorrect, my geniuses. Take it from me, all right? Good. Now, yours. It is yours. It can stand on its own. So all these over here can stand alone. His can stand alone, and it can also be used with nouns. That's why it is in the middle. Now down here, we have some singular possessive. We have plural possessive. Remember, when we're talking about singular, we're talking about one. Plural, more than one, right? So we have its, his, mine, hers, and I did tell you about in the middle that it can be over here as well as over here. So it is actually both places, all right? So yours can be singular, as we pointed out in previous lessons, and it can be plural as well. Okay? Now what you're going to do for me, my geniuses, since yours can be singular and it can be plural, you're going to use yours in sentences for me. You're going to use it singular and you're going to use it plural. Put that in the comment section for me, okay? Okay, my geniuses, so now I am going to show you that pronouns can be used as the object of a sentence, all right? So some pronouns can be used as an object of a sentence. The object of a sentence is the receiver of the action, okay? So remember that the object of a sentence is the receiver of the action. Now, usually the object of a sentence comes after the verb, all right? So the object of a sentence comes after the verb, usually, okay? Because you know there are exceptions to every rule. I taught you that. So look at this. We have them, her, him, us, me. These are all object pronouns. Of course, it and you can also be used as object pronouns. Okay, so look at this example. She ate her dinner after she woke up. So you would have realized that her comes after ate, and ate there is the verb. All right, so object pronouns usually come after the verb. All right, and remember, it and you there can also be used as object pronouns. Now, look at this sentence for me. The ball hit her or she in the face. So this is one sentence, and you are going to tell me which one of these words you'd put to make it correct. So which of these words would you underline to make the sentence correct? And a little trick that I am going to teach you, my geniuses, on how to make sure that your sentence is correct when you're using object pronouns is you are going to break the sentence into two parts for me. So look at this. The ball hit her in the face, right? So you're using her. The ball hit her in the face. Then you're going to say the ball hit she in the face. So you break the sentence into two parts. Now the one that makes more sense to you, that of course is the correct object pronoun to use. So you're going to tell me in my comment section which one it is right there, okay? My geniuses, I want to thank you for joining me on Reading Unlimited with Kadian. I want to thank you for liking and for commenting. You do know when you comment, that's the only way that I can hear from you, and I love to hear from you. For my regular visitors, thank you for coming. For those who are just visiting for the first time, thank you so very much. You are at the right place. Just go ahead, touch that like button for me, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos. Have you been looking in that mirror? Have you been telling yourself great things? You're awesome, you're magnificent, you're superb, you're talented, you're a gem. Have you been kind to yourself? I hope so. But in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day. Bye. Of course, I just had to show you this. I hope you are seeing it. Like, it's so pretty. Are you seeing it? I wonder if I put it through my screen, you'll see it better. Well, the light is in that, but yes, it's a little better. This is beautiful. Like, so beautiful. May your Christmas be merry and bright, guys. Whatever is happening in your life, you know tomorrow changes everything. So nothing remains constant. Nothing at all. So just work on it for the new year. Look how pretty that is, guys. Are you seeing it? Yes, just work on your New Year's resolution and make sure everything changes. Even COVID goes away in 2021, right? Look at that. See how beautiful? Yeah, I just had to get it